Jayanagara Tea Plantation, which has the popular name Helipad, which is in the subdistrict Kabandungan of Sukabumi. Regency has now become one of the tourist icons. There are no recreational there, but we can enjoy the beauty of the tea and the cool air. If you visit the village, you can see the tea factory as well as the process of making it. Besides enjoying the scenery, you also get knowledge. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.